Buenas tardes, amigos. Hey, my friends. Figured I sent you a little message from my little mountain climbing tour. It's just, I don't know, getting from 1500 meter to 2500 meter, but it's been a very big adventure for me. And now I reached the point where there's no turning back. There's just going up and up and up until I'm at the top and I can finally drink my beer. Give you a little view. The view is quite good, but I gotta admit, looking down makes me a little bit shaky, you know. I wouldn't say I'm generally afraid of heights, but this time I am afraid. But you know how they say the Lizard King can do anything, and so greetings to you out there, and we talk soon.